Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the cable on your Dyson HD07 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward but important task to ensure your vacuum operates effectively. In this guide, we will walk you through the necessary steps. Tools required *. 1. Flathead screwdriver. 2. Phillips screwdriver. 3. Wire cutters. 4. New replacement cable. 5. Electrical tape. 6. Safety goggles. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Start by ensuring your workspace is clean and well lit. Gather all your tools to avoid interruptions during the process. Make sure your Dyson HD07 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Step 2. Remove the vacuum base. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently lift the base off. If it's stuck, carefully wiggle it until it releases. Step 3. Access the cable connection. With the base removed, locate the cable connection point inside the vacuum. You will see the old cable attached to the motor. Depending on the model, you may need to remove additional screws to fully expose the cable. This is a great time to check for any accumulated dust or debris inside the vacuum. Clean it out with a cloth or a small brush. Step 4. Disconnect the old cable. Using wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable as close to the connection point as possible. Make sure to avoid cutting any other wires. Once cut, gently pull the cable free from the motor. If you feel unsure at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 5. Prepare the new cable. Take your new replacement cable and strip the ends about ½ an inch to expose the wires. This is crucial for a proper connection. You can find replacement cables online or at your local hardware store. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. Step 6. Connect the new cable. Connect the new cable to the motor by matching the color-coded wires, usually black to black, white to white. Secure the connections with electrical tape to ensure they do not come loose. If you're unsure about the connections, we provide a quote before repair services to help clarify any costs involved. Step 7. Reassemble the vacuum. Once the new cable is securely connected, replace the base of the vacuum. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Step 8. Test the vacuum. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD07 and turn it on to test if the new cable is functioning properly. Ensure there are no unusual sounds or smells. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully changed the cable on your Dyson. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer no calls, no travel services, ensuring that your vacuum is handled professionally and conveniently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.